Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday, happy Halloween. Today I went to refrigerator. I see my tamarind, uh, tamarind 95 less seed, right? Tamarind is from Thailand, and I'm gonna go ahead to make the tamarind jam. You guys know how to make tamarind jam. I will show you how to make this one. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead open this bag right here. Yep, tamarind jam. Okay, this from Thailand. Less seed, 95% less seed. No seed at all. Maybe have some little bit here and there, but just get started. So very easy to make tamarind jam. You can brush on the bread, on top of the bread and eat it, or you just old-fashioned way before when I was kid, right? Before dip with sticky rice. So take it off this plastic right here. Look at this pure tamarind. Tamarind is a lot of vitamin C benefit, all kind. It's just so good. We cooking with tamarind. We make tom yum, whatever, anything like that. So go ahead, put in here. Okay, guys, this is tamarind. I try to put one in there first. Now I realize I have two. I go ahead make the tamarind jam. So I'm gonna go ahead. I boil some already. So this is right here. See that tamarind still there? So I'm go ahead and boil them together. Ooh, foggy. All right, boil them together, and let's get started. Okay, cooking down. This is take like 2-3 hours. Not that easy. Okay, have to be patient. I want to share with you guys how I make tamarind jams. See, that's right there. One big one, and this is another one. So go ahead. Oh, this is so good. After this done, when I cook this one done, so I will show you how to put the sugar, to scoop that down. Tamarind jam is beautiful, and all the benefit, vitamin C, and good for you. Okay, let me cook for at least for 2 hours. Take time. I'm gonna add all the water in here because they will cook for a long time. They have to stew. Be patient. Yep. All right. I'll be back another hour. Okay, everyone. After 1 hour, so they cooking now. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn the stove off, and let them cool down. Then I will show you next step. See that smells so good. Smell good, sour, and tamarind is a vitamin C. It smell like benefits already. So let them cool down, and I will show you next step. Okay, all right. Okay, everyone's cool down right now. Gonna go ahead to show you next step. Cool down. Boil it good. Okay, let's start next step. Okay, guys. Okay, I got the best machine right here. That's the best machine. Okay, it's going down. Right now. All right, let's go next step. Done. Okay, everyone, I got this filter right here. Just get started one by one. Yes, filter. I'm gonna finish all of this. Okay, that's how I use it. You can use this filter right here. Get nice and all the crumbs out of here. See that? Take time to make a good snack or good food, good dessert. Take time. Okay, I'm gonna finish all of them. See that? Finish all of them. Okay, that's it. This is throw away right here. I don't need them anymore. keto way right here. And I'm gonna finish all of them. Finish all of this. Okay, everyone is done. Filter all the now it's all the clean juice. I'm put back to this pot right here. Let's go stoop down. All right. Get back to the old pot. Yeah, stoop it down. Take it easy. The heat very low. Let's stoop. Then put sugar on the next step. Okay, let's stoop it down. Okay, this is the brown sugar I use. Gonna put in here first. I don't know how many cups, but you have to measure by the taste. Okay, this is a sea sauce. Natural sea salt. Okay, I'm going to put 1 spoon first. Add a little bit more. Okay, let them stoop down. Take about a couple hours. Okay, everyone, 2 hours after. Look at that, thick now. I wait for another half hour. Looking good. It's delicious. Now thick. I want to going down some more. Okay, looking good. Everyone is done. Alright, that's it. Turn it off. Yep. Very good right now. You see that? It tastes good. You put sugar how much you want. It depends how you want. Sugar. And then stoop it down. And then you put the water and blend it. And then stoop it down. More water. More cooking. Take a longer time to be stooped. To be the jam. Look at the jam. Get the jam looking good now. Okay? Oh yes. Okay, turn it off. Done. Okay, everyone, my tamarind jam cool down now. Look at that. How look good is it? Oh, look at this. You can dip with the bread. You can eat like a dessert. It's just so good. Okay, to put in a container. This is my container. Put in my container. Okay, everyone, I got 2 tamarind jam. Wow, look at this. What I make today is so delicious. And if you don't believe it, you can try to make that delicious. Oh my God, I love this tamarind jam right here. Beautiful. Yep. Okay, everyone, this one I'm gonna eat right now. You can put in the bread and they just eat by themselves. Delicious. Oh my God, it's so good. So good. See the tamarind jam right here? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. See you later. All right.